Figured we'd do a little recording today. Me and the Shadow Man. Usha, boys. Yeah, I figured on waiting on the buffering. You know, it's buffering. I might as well get something done and be productive. Buffering. Oh, I like those commercial breaks on a song that's 10 minutes long. It's a little bit too long. We're going to have to break your rhythm and blues. Stop you right in your tracks. Yeah. We're trying to walk here, see? We're trying to walk. The Shadow Man has pretty got a light load, you know. No weight. Well, actually this leg is, I don't know, it weighs, sometimes it weighs like 90 pounds or so. It's like twice as heavy as the other leg. 3 times heavier. Lift. Tell me to lift that leg. Lift. Okay, we're going downhill now. We got a little, this is a little too steep for me. Yeah, no kidding. If I can get it going, my stride, I can kind of get it going. Yeah, don't you know? Yeah. I get going too fast down it, and I like something just about half this slope. It allows me to get my feet in front of each other. Then I use this in case I fall down. There he is. Hey, what's going on? You following me? Shadow Man. That thing's about ready to fall over. I want to give that one a cut down there, boys. I'd say, we take a peek at her, see which way she's leaning. Play Saw Man. Sammy the Saw Man. Oh gosh, she's leaning that way, alrighty. So we'll come in here and we're gonna notch it. We're gonna notch it up real high, see? Okay, right there's a cut. So it's weak. It's leaning this way, right? Where's my stick? Leaning that way, and it's weak this way. So it's definitely wanting to fall. It's actually just barely floating on that leg right there. If you look at the center of gravity and bring her straight down. So you see how it's tilted and tipped that way? Well, when you go to cut that with the chainsaw, right here you might want it to be your first cut, but you're going to have all that weight fall down on that. You'll bind your saw in there. So basically the best way to cut this tree, this is a good little challenge. Good challenge for me today here. Alright, it's coming this way. You'd think to cut it that way, right? But since you've got it dead over there, right there you could do your notch. You know, either way you do that, it's got to watch the kickback. See, they got what they call this thing kickback over here, where the tree can kick back on you. And what's this one look like? It's all right. Save one part of the tree. You could actually make this kind of neat. That's not really holding anything on. I might take that out first. I don't know, I do kind of like that there though. How much is holding on here? That part, it goes all the way back in there. See, that's where it's tricky. It's not even holding anything, and nothing's even holding it on to about right there. So let's pull this around, okay. The way to do this one is to come in right in here. Oop, fuck, about fell over that shit. That's not easy with a crippled leg. That's an accident. If I about fall, I get to cuss, I guess. Is that alright? Is that on the rule? Right there's your cut. You come in there and you cut it. Stand on this tree, even though right there's your cut. That'd be level. So right there's your cut. It's alright to cut it up high if you have to. On something that's crudted out like this, you want to cut it up high. Because you don't know where this is going to hold and not hold, and you're gonna cut your saw in there. I'd go way up high and take it out high, up in here. Where was that mark? About right there. Yeah, about right in there. Go in there and just right here with the chainsaw. Right there. Right? That's the way to do it. I used to cut trees down back in the day. Yeah, I've done that. So see how that's leaning? A guy stand on that crotch or could either stand in there or not. I'd stand in that middle part of that tree and cut some and then cut the other way. Because your cut's going to be high up here. You're going to be holding that saw up here. But if you're standing here, you'd be holding the saw up a little higher. Alright, let's get this leg walking. But that's the cut I would do on it. Yep. Alright, let's get the chainsaw. Get the chainsaw! See it going downhill, it's just about perfect. That's a pretty good hill for me. I ought to try that one. It may be pretty good. Or this one. This has kind of got it downhill. And I like going uphill too, because I get to use different parts of my muscles. I got the hip socket and the ankle twist and push. Every little function. I got to make sure that knee explodes. Explode the knee, explode the knee. To get the knee to explode, I have to shove it down in the ground. Shove my knee down in the ground to get it to start exploding. Both of them kind of. Good place to get meat over there. This would be a good time for an ad. And I gotta get used to being active of a morning or an evening. See what my levels are. Alright. See if I can do her. See if I can do her there, Pop Shoppers. Yep. I used to walk up that hill barefooted. Man, I miss barefoot walking. You know, it's not too bad. A little bit of snow on the ground, but boy, that'd be tough on me. That's a good little thing. Now I could start doing the little bitty hills with my bare feet. Forgot about that one. Trying to rebuild the body. Half your body's gone, and your leg, and you know, your other leg's damaged because, yeah, it took 3 years to build it up. And you forgot to take care of your other good leg. When you only had one leg, how come you didn't take care of it, huh? Huh? Why didn't you take care of that good leg? That was the only one you had. You wore down. You wore it down. Yeah. Well, we're not going all the way up here. Man, this is a hell of a climb. Oh, I forgot what hills were like. I don't even remember what hills are like. Training. My gosh. I am out of training, man. Hamstring is burning so bad. Yeah. Well, I felt like calling the doctor today and saying, can we stick a needle in that muscle area and shoot something in there? It won't give up. Okay, here's a little hill. They're little baby ones, kind of like that. Well, I wonder if it's done buffering, huh? Boys. 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 Okay, here, we're gonna go. We're gonna do the concentration time. Proper form. Chug-a-lug-lug. Chug-a-lug-lug. Turn, rotate, 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 rotate. Holy mackerel. That is hard. Well, I ought to pick them sticks up and throw them next to the trees and stuff. Oh, this feels good. See, you get a little friction on my feet. And they got a little friction, and that's resistance. So my muscles have to work harder, and my legs don't slide through like on concrete or the gym floor. And I haven't had anywhere to walk. Not really. It's nice to walk on uneven, crooked stuff. It like tickles those hip sockets. There's two little hip sockets that fit into your pelvis. Look at these little acornies. Oh my gosh, this is like a treat to my feet. Oh, I can sense all those little things on when I step on things and stuff. Guess I do have higher senses in certain abilities now. On my sensitivity's out to charge some days. Yeah, this is not bad. Kind of like, and if I fall, it's gonna be really soft. Not really. Don't think about falling too much. No. Then when I trip over stuff, well, you've seen it. The leg just, I've got it trained, or been trying to train it since my first step was on Mom's birthday. One step, unaided, young man. One step. That's all I wanted to do. Step one time. Please let me step one time without anything to hold on to. Or not use that damn walker. Nobody said that was going to even, you couldn't, no way you're going to be able to do that. I was like, there's no way. Totally gone. Yeah, they severed it. Fucking alright. Motherfuckers. that's a cool card. I'm picking that up. Alright, let's get that going. It's actually looking good on my head. I like that. I got a Valentine's Day. There's a Valentine's Day. Who says you don't get Valentine's in there? Break of the dawn, break of the dawn. Well, lift my leg time and stretch it out. Ready to go. Well, it's kind of what it's like on my walkout, but you don't ever get to go with me, do you? You never get to go with me. Who knows? This could be in the middle of the night. You know, I do like going up these hills sideways. This is pretty nice. Man-made little baby hills. Perfectly made. That hamstring may be wanting... It may want these hills like it may want uneven ground to kind of... I think it wants to go forward and backward and explode like it used to. Okay, there I got it going. I got him going sideways a little bit now on my leg. Yeah, kind of like starting the body. You know, let's crank the cord, pull the choke, check the lean mixture. Like this. Okay, my hips. Let me get my hips going. Forgot to tell me about my hips. You didn't tell me about the hips, dude. Yeah, you got to turn them. Your pelvis has been frozen for 3 years, dude. I mean, where you move them on your stride and how you move your hips. Yeah. Oh, that feels good. See, I don't think I've twisted uphill. You know, where you have to push that hamstring out and different heights, left and right. You know, I may have to do this whole damn hill all the way down there and back, figure eighting it. Next walkout session. Shit, that'll be a tough son of a bee. Even barefooted it'd be tough. Maybe do both. You see what I'm saying? It's angled. It's working those hip sockets. Right? Go left ways, go right ways. Left and right. Make circles. Okay, that's that inside left foot. Ooh, that kind of feels good, yeah. Yeah, I see what you see here, how you can, oh yeah, kind of get the twist going. That hamstring's the one that's tight, I think. I don't really know. It's all been changed since the swimming and the birthday party, and then my back was stinging so bad. You couldn't even touch my back. I slept on it so hard or something. Macro. You know, this ain't bad here. Better not overdo that left and right. But I do like that aspect of doing the left and right on that. That seems like that. See, the hamstring. Okay, it wants to. Okay, it's got so much power stored up in it. I think that's what the hell's going on. The son of a bitch is wanting to run, and it ain't been able to run for 3 years. Because we got to know what's going on here. There's so much stored energy in that hamstring. Yeah, think we're gonna have to come out and train here. So, oh man, oh man, oh man. Because this makes more sense. This is a complete crack of shit, man. I thought I'd be done in 3 years. This thing was completely destroyed. Oh, goodness. Oh, gosh. You take another couple of years of doing figure eights and doing this crap and getting it back to normal, I may be lucky to have a couple of years. Stress. This damn stinging would go away. Anyway, I'm going to use all my battery. Complaining. I feel pretty good. Alright, I'm signing out.